Hi guys, very good evening. So this is another initiative from our Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. It is complete solarization of Konark Sun Temple. तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी इनोवेटिव वन ऑल्सो, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली हम सबको पता है कि वाटर is a depleting resource at this point of time and that is used for generating electricity. तो ऐसे में अगर हम सोलराइजेशन करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डेवलप कर पाएँ तो हम वाटर को काफ़ी हद तक कंजर्व कर लेंगे. सो दिस इज़ समवट अबाउट द सेम. तो ये जो इनिशिएटिव है दिस इज़ बेस्ड ऑन solarization of Konark Sun Temple. So let's see what it is about. Solarization of Konark Temple. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy (MNRE) has taken up the complete solarization of Konark Sun Temple and Konark Town in Odisha. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ न्यू एंड रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी ने पूरा कंप्लीट सोलराइजेशन करना है कोणार्क सन टेम्पल और कोणार्क टाउन जो है वो उड़ीसा में. इसके डिटेल्स क्या हैं स्कीम के वो देखते हैं. द स्कीम एनविसेजेस गेटिंग अप सॉरी द स्कीम एनविसेजेस गेटिंग अप ऑफ 10 megawatt grid connected solar project. Guys, 10 megawatt grid connected solar project and various solar off grid applications like solar trees, solar drinking water kiosks, off grid solar power plant with battery storage etc. तो इस स्कीम में आप देख सकते हैं कितना ज़्यादा एनर्जी डेवलप करने का एक इनिशिएटिव है ये. द प्रोजेक्ट विल बी टेकन अप विद 100% सेंट्रल फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट. इसको पूरी तरह से सेंटर ही फाइनेंस करेगा. सपोर्ट ऑफ around rupees 25 crores from government of India through Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. So Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has been granted 25 crores from government of India. It is a solely center facilitated project for solarization of Konark Sun Temple, where the setting up of 10 megawatt grid connected solar project, 10 megawatt grid connected solar project और कई सारे off grid applications like solar trees, solar drinking water kiosks and off grid solar power plants with battery storage etc. ये इस स्कीम का पार्ट है. Implementation of this project will be done by Odisha Renewable Energy Development Agency OREDA. इसका implementation OREDA करेगा. The scheme will meet all the energy requirements of Konark town with solar energy. This is what the aim is कि ये जो scheme है ये Konark town के जितनी energy requirements है वो meet करेगा with the help of solar energy. About the temple. Built in the 13th century, the Konark temple was conceived as gigantic chariot of the sun god. बहुत ही बड़ा सा chariot है sun god का. 13th century में बना था. With 12, this is the image of Konark Sun temple. 12 pairs of exquisitely ornamented wheels pulled by 7 horses. बहुत 12 pairs of wheels जो कि 7 हॉर्सेस पुल कर रहे हैं. इट वॉज बिल्ट बाय किंग नरसिम्हा देवा वन, द ग्रेट रूलर ऑफ गंगा डायनेस्टी. इट वॉज बिल्ट बाय किंग नरसिम्हा देवा वन, the great ruler of Ganga dynasty. This can come as a question in history from your exam point of view. The temple is included in UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. In 84 इसको UNESCO World Heritage Site में ऐड कर दिया था for its architectural greatness and also for the sophistication and abundance of sculptural work. It is built so beautifully. Architectural greatness है इसमें, architecture बहुत ही प्यारा है और abundance and sophistication of sculpture work. इसकी वजह से इसको यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट में इंक्लूड कर दिया गया था 1984 में. The temple is perfect blend of Kalinga architecture, heritage, exotic beach and salient natural beauty. Kalinga architecture, heritage, exotic beach and salient natural beauty. It is protected under National Framework of India by the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains. कहाँ कौन से एक्ट के अंदर ये प्रोटेक्टेड है? नेशनल फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ इंडिया by the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites Remains. Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites Remain AMA SR Act 1958 and its rules 1959. इस एक्ट के अंदर नेशनल फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ इंडिया में इट इज़ प्रोटेक्टेड. The Konark is the third link of Odisha's Golden Triangle. The first link is Jagannath Puri and the second link is Bhubaneswar, capital city of Odisha. So there are three links of Odisha's Golden Triangle. First is Jagannath Puri, second link is Bhubaneswar, capital city of Odisha, and the third link is Konark Sun Temple. This temple was also known as Black Pagoda due to its dark color and used as a navigational landmark by ancient sailors to Odisha. पुराने टाइम पे जो sailors उड़ीसा में आते थे, they used Konark Temple as a landmark. It is also known as Black Pagoda because of its dark color. Similarly, Jagannath Temple in Puri was called as the White Pagoda. Jagannath Temple is known as White Pagoda. Konark Sun Temple is called Black Pagoda. It remains a major pilgrimage site for Hindus who gather here every year for the Chandrabag Mela around the month of February. तो बहुत सारे हिंदू पिलग्रिम्स जो हैं वो यहाँ जाते हैं हर साल फरवरी में फॉर चंद्रबाग मेला. Guys, this was all about Konark Sun Temple. Thank you very much, guys. If you liked my video and found it productive and informative, please like my video and subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell icon for more such video updates. I hope you find it productive and informative from exam point of view. Thank you.